Setting up new gear can be tricky the first time, so we thought we'd create this quick video on some easy tips on how to set up your Oztent Hex for the first time. First of all, when you first get it out of the bag, you want to lay it out nice and clearly so you can see all of the hubs and you have all the poles pointing in one direction. So what you want to do is grab onto the end of each of two poles and pull them down. And then you can grab onto the other edge piece of the same attached pole and fold it out until you see this cross image. So you're going to want to see the cross with the tag in the middle. It's an orange tag. If it doesn't come up with a 4-pronged cross and you see 3 prongs, that's incorrect. And so you'll need to fold it down again and make sure you're grabbing the end of the pole. Use one hand as a brace and the second hand to pull the orange tag, pulling out one wall at a time until all are popped down. From here you'll go inside the shelter and push up the centerpiece until it's all erect. You'll also need to put a few poles on either side of the door. Now if you do unfold it the incorrect way, you'll see that it will make this triangle shape with 3 poles, and this is not the shape you want. If you've accidentally unfolded it and tried to pop out the poles the incorrect way, you can actually invert the poles. If you've done this, it's not a problem. You simply remove each pole from their pouch individually, fold the tent back down, and then reinsert the pole back into their pouches so you can fold it up the correct way. When folding, also be wary of the material getting looped over the ends. Pull this off before proceeding to make sure you don't get tangled. And lastly, when you're packing down, do the same thing in reverse. So simply go around each side, popping down using the orange tag all the way around the walls, and then you're going to want to grab onto the end of the pole touching the ground and fold it upwards until all the poles are facing opposite the hub. We hope this helps you setting up your hex for the first time. If you have any trouble or any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or go to our website tentworld.com.au.